beginning, when all of this started back in February, March, people were terrified and did not know how to act or behave. But now, almost after a year, people understand how to move and behave in this new normal. And I have posted a video about the new normal and what that means for us, our money, and our future. And you can check it out after finishing this video. So with people starting to change their lifestyle and routines and adapt to the new normal, public confidence is definitely a lot higher going into 2021. So with a recovery around the corner and public confidence back to somewhat normal levels, these penny stocks will surely make headlines in 2021. Let's begin. First penny stock is Kraken Robotics, ticker symbol PNG. Now, Kraken Robotics is a marine technology company engaged in the design, the development, and marketing of advanced sonar and laser sensors and systems for unmanned underwater vehicles for military and commercial applications. Now, the key word in that whole sentence is unmanned. Let me tell you why. So remember when I said in my previous video that by looking at the non-technical factors of a stock, you can get a better picture of whether or not to hold it long. Well, just from the word unmanned in Kraken Robotics description, it shows that they are investing in the future. Unmanned underwater vehicles are the future, as currently we have only explored 5% of Earth's water. And various partnerships with military governments, both domestic and foreign, you can bet that they are going for some deep water discoveries. Kraken Robotics is recognized as the world leader in synthetic aperture sonar, or SAS, which is a revolutionary underwater imaging technology providing ultra-high resolution imagery at superior coverage rates, which dramatically improves seabed surveys. And Kraken's series of SAS products has nearly 2 decades of research and development and offers high-end military systems at a fraction of the cost. This allows Kraken to deliver the highest quality at the lowest cost on the market. Kraken has been growing consistently and now provides a fully integrated suite of products, including thrusters, batteries, sensors, vehicles, and launch and recovery products. Their mantra, which I think is totally awesome and motivating at the same time, is innovate or die. Kraken is always pushing the envelope to bring the best quality controlled products to the market. So what's coming up for Kraken next? Well, Kraken was just granted funding for its Ocean Vision project that tops more than $20 million. In October, it had a contract with the Denmark government with a contract to supply mine hunting sonar equipment to the Royal Danish Navy. Kraken is accelerating their efforts to characterize robots as a service. Their main business model is to design, manufacture, and sell of software-centric sensors, batteries, and underwater robotic systems. And as I'm recording this video, the current share price is 60 cents, or roughly around there, per share. So it is a high-risk, high-reward stock. But I do believe in the technology that they have, as I have researched everywhere for anything close to their technology, and it is non-existent. So they are currently the front runners of this technology. And looking at it from a 10 to 20 year perspective or standpoint, unless there is a piece of new land somewhere on this earth that has not been discovered, I believe that underwater will be the next major exploration venture. Space and underwater will be the next sources for mining, resources, commodities, and finding other forms of life. Now, my second penny stock that I'm really excited about what the future holds for them is Jack Nathan Medical, ticker symbol JNH. Jack Nathan Medical is a healthcare network that designs, builds, and sets up medical and dental clinics for physicians in high-density centers. It has been operating since 2006 and has had a wonderful partnership with Walmart for over 15 years. The company is a healthcare company that is improving access for millions of patients by locating medical services conveniently inside Walmart stores. Jack Nathan Medical provides an exceptional level of patient care according to patient and medical staff reviews. And through strategic partnerships with some of the brightest physicians across Canada, Jack Nathan is creating a patient-centered experience where patients receive access to quality care in modern, state-of-the-art facilities and with a variety of services under one roof. I am greatly positioned in this stock because of what it can do and how far it can go. Because I see Jack Nathan expanding in my own local area, and it is a genius idea to have a medical center in a highly trafficked area like Walmart. So what is coming up for J&H? For one, it is partnered with Walmart. Nothing beats a partnership with the big three: Walmart, Amazon, Costco. And they have been a partner with Walmart for over 14 years and continuously expanding. The beautiful part of Jack Nathan is that you can actually see it in your communities. Maybe some of you have visited one. Where else can you go to shop for your groceries and essentials while you wait for your dentist appointment, physiotherapy appointment, eye appointment, and medical appointment all under one roof? Secondly, their 50 location expansion in Mexico will be officially completed in January, so that will surely make the price jump. Their rapid expansion in Walmart Mexico is fueled by cost-effective construction that only takes days and requires no capital expenditure from Jack Nathan Health, resulting in immediate revenue growth and a short time frame to achieve clinical operations. For Jack Nathan, their end goal is to be one of the leading integrated primary healthcare provider in the world, as well as generating better health outcomes for citizens globally. And Jack Nathan is well positioned to do that because they are already making moves to open up in Walmarts in Europe. And with their key asset, which is patient data, patients can have their data pulled up at whichever Jack Nathan they go to anywhere in the world. So if you go to one in Mexico, one in Canada, or one in Europe, all physicians or all medical staff will be able to pull up your medical history. And this has made Jack Nathan well positioned for creating a global standardized healthcare database. And for all my conspiracy viewers, if you do believe in a one world government where everything will be controlled centrally and consolidated, well, why wouldn't Jack Nathan be a great candidate to take on the healthcare? As they will have all of their patient data from around the world centralized, which also makes sense for them to partner up with a conglomerate like Walmart, making their end goal a reality much sooner than later. And just to drop this in here, if it matters to anybody, which I know it will, Jack Nathan is also well positioned in Canada and Mexico to assist in the distribution and immunization of the vaccines. And you obviously know which vaccines I'm talking about. The way I see it, as long as Jack Nathan and Walmart have a good relationship, best case scenario, they get acquired by Walmart. Then they will always be a great business. But once they lose that Walmart connection, they will be like any other medical center, and their expansion will come to a halt as they rely on Walmart locations for growth. Now, my third penny stock, the Score, ticker symbol SCR. So many of you have watched or know the Score channel on your cable television or online streaming, or the Score app to catch up on sports recaps and scores. Well, if you did not know, they also offer sports betting, but their sports betting is only offered in places where single event sports betting is legal. And currently, only very few places in North America offer legal single event sports betting. Last May, the US Supreme Court struck down on a ban on single game betting, which opened up the floodgates for gaming companies like FanDuel and DraftKings. And if you have been following DraftKings, their stock flew to the moon because of this, currently sitting at over $50 a share. And while red tape remains a challenge for single event sports betting, but when it becomes legal everywhere, this stock could become the leading player in this sector. And why? Well, this is my main reason why. With any goods or services that requires gaining customers and your business is dependent on customers, meaning the more customers you get, the better business you will do, you will be spending most of your budget to marketing and acquiring customers, resulting in a slower growth due to financial allocations. But the score already has the customers. Millions of them. They have been long in the media and entertainment space, and its sports news app is one of the most popular in North America. So they have their target audience already engaged and participating. So for the score to transition them over to betting will require minimal effort, resulting in allocating more of their money to expanding and growing rather than on acquiring customers. So what's coming up for the score? Well, in September of this year, the score launched Score Bet. They launched in New Jersey, Colorado, and Indiana, places where mobile sports betting is legal and permitted. It allows users to make a bet on any single game in any of the major leagues. Although it is not legal everywhere yet, North America's big sports leagues have already started making deals in anticipation of single event betting to be legal in 2021. The National Basketball Association, the NBA, announced a multi-year deal with DraftKings, and the MLB, the Major League Baseball, has been rumored to be in talks with the score. So with legislation sitting on the table for allowing single event betting, this stock along with DraftKings will continue to rise. But unlike DraftKings, who is in the $50 range right now, way up there, I will start loading up on the score as it is sitting at around $1.30. So let's score with score. I had to. And my fourth penny stock is Sirona Biochem. Now, this penny stock is one of my biggest speculative, but also one to watch closely as its biochem technology can impact the cosmetic and pharmaceutical industry. Sirona Biochem was founded in 2009, and its value lies within the proprietary chemistry technology and the team's expertise. They have developed okay, stay with me now. Unique phrase coming up. They have come up with a fluorination chemistry that can improve the pharmaceutical qualities of carbohydrate-based molecules by stabilizing them. So what it simply means is that the carb-based molecules that they are working on, they are actually able to stabilize it. Because it is actually extremely challenging to stabilize these molecules, Sirona Biochem has. And they are working to develop safer, more effective cosmetic and pharmaceutical active ingredients. As you may or may not know, but cosmetics are made with tons of different chemicals and compounds, and unfortunately, many of them do not work well together. So people will get rashes, allergic reactions, skin issues, and so on. But with Sirona's expert team's proprietary technology of stabilizing these compounds, they are able to create much safer and effective cosmetics and pharmaceuticals. And Sirona plans on using this chemistry technique to explore commercial opportunities, which can include having their technology licensed to various cosmetic and pharmaceutical companies. And this industry is already in the trillions, so there is definitely some space for Sirona to get a piece of, and currently sitting at 23 cents a share, it wouldn't hurt to get some exposure in the biochemical sector, specifically cosmetics and big pharma. And finally, my fifth favorite penny stock, OneSoft Solutions, ticker symbol OSS. Now, this stock is unique because it is currently focused on the oil sector, but its technology can be used in any sector. Now, as I mentioned earlier, any company that partners with the big three, Walmart, Amazon, Costco, they are bound to gain some positives. And this next stock, OneSoft Solutions, is one of them. OneSoft Solutions has partnered with Microsoft. Not the big three, but it's Microsoft. Pretty much part of the big three, big five, big 10, you know what I mean. And so their partnership with Microsoft is to provide software solutions for selected markets. So it's not for everybody, but for certain markets, selected markets, but it can be applied to any market. And their software is built off of the Microsoft Cloud technology. Their revenue comes from services, and their main one is the Cognitive Integrity Management application, which is a software as a service application that uses the Microsoft Cloud platform. Their services also include machine learning, predictive analysis, business intelligence reporting, and other data science components to assist pipeline companies in preventing pipeline failures. OneSoft Solutions' revolutionary software applications will transform management of assets in the oil and pipeline industry, not to only gain profits, but save lives and protect the environment by assisting pipeline operators in preventing pipeline leaks and failures. Although the oil industry has taken a major hit this year and also has been dropping over the past few years due to environmental concerns, OneSoft service helps oil companies keep better track and manage their pipelines to be able to repair and replace what is needed before a tragedy occurs. And this is an insurance play as well. It could be a service added eventually to many oil companies' expenses, as it will be able to provide cloud-stored, measurable data for their insurance companies if anything were to occur. And trading at only 55 cents a share, this is not only an oil play, but a tech play. And I positioned myself to add this, an oil tech focused stock, into my portfolio. Now, all of these penny stocks that I mentioned can be found on Wealthsimple Trade and Questrade. And if you want free money to trade with and $0 commission fees, $0 commission fees, sign up with my Wealthsimple link for $10 of free real money to trade with and get these stocks before they go back up. Don't like Wealthsimple? No problem. Maybe Questrade is more your style. You can also sign up with my Questrade QPASS key code for free money as well. You will get $25 once you sign up with my QPASS key code and start trading in minutes. Both links are in the description box below. So I hope I was able to show you my favorite 5 penny stocks that I'm currently positioned in and continue buying, as I will be seeing them skyrocket in 2021. Each one of these companies are groundbreaking for their respective sector. And as this is as low as they will go, anything lower will be bankruptcy. So hopefully my reasons for why I am positioned will show you both the pros and cons, as they are high risk, high reward stocks. So again, I am not a financial advisor, so make sure you do your own research and consult your own financial professional. There is so much wealth out there for all of us to get a piece of. So by allowing our hard-earned money make us more money is the key to wealth and financial success. So make sure to get in now while excellent stocks are dirt cheap. And especially now that the next round of stimulus is around the corner, and which has actually been approved. And people will be pumping those liquid stimulus dollars into the market. Also, make sure to check out the first episode of the Jacob Rant learning series, posted yesterday on my channel, where I will post videos of my key investing strategies and moves. Please subscribe, like, and share so you will get notified of my video posts, as I will be highlighting some of my other up and coming penny stocks, REITs, dividend and speculative stocks in my portfolio, and investments I am currently buying and selling. So comment below which investments you want me to give you the real truth on. So stay tuned. And if you haven't yet, check out my previous videos where I discuss debt, overspending, and other thought-provoking videos that will tingle your mind. I want everyone to have the opportunity to get out of this work-life trap by buying back their freedom through investing. So let's all start 2021 together on a journey of health, love, and success. So until the next video, stay ranting.